y'all. This is Lou Rayo, inside my window, inside my window. Welcome, my friends, welcome. I hope everyone is doing great, man. During this time, this awful epidemic, right? This coronavirus. Those who are going to work, I hope you all are safe. And those who are staying at home, I hope you're not going crazy. So let me help stir the pot, so to say, to what? Get everyone active. Let's get some cooking going. I have a great dish right now. It's called the one pot pasta. Man, this thing is taken by storm over the internet. And this is my take on the one pot pasta. So no time to waste. Let's get moving, baby. All right. Here we go, my friends. This one pot pasta ingredients is just to die for, and it's simple, and it's all done in a 12-inch pan. That's it, a 12-inch pan. What more do you have to worry about? One pan, right? And it's just a couple utilities, and that's it. And your recipes, right? If once you prep, everything's done, and that's what we did. And I'll explain what's going into this 12-inch pan for the one pot pasta. Simple, easy, done. First thing we want to do, we want to take our ingredients. Before I'm going to add the pasta, I'm taking one. What is wrong with me? I don't know. But I'm taking 1/4 cup of coconut butter. 1/4 cup of coconut butter. I already have the heat going here. And the reason I'm doing the heat now, so I want the butter to start to melt. Very simple. Now you would be doing this on a stove top. But I'm doing this in front of you on a burner so that it makes it a lot easy for what? For you to follow along. And while the butter's melting, 16 ounces of linguine, and I'm just going to lay it just like that. 16 ounces of linguine. That's all we need. Now we got the butter in there, and we got the linguine in there. I'm going to add 1/4 cup of avocado oil. I'm laying that right on top of the pasta, just like that. Oh yeah, baby. All I need is 4 cups of distilled water. If you don't have distilled water, go ahead and use spring water. Do not use water from your sink. Don't use that chlorine water. We're going to add 1 cup cherry tomatoes, and let me tell you this, when you do cherry tomatoes, look for the one that says sugar bomb. This sugar bomb tomatoes, they're sweet, baby, very sweet. Going to set it aside. What are you doing, Lou? I don't know. Set it aside. I'm going to add 1 cup, half an onion, sliced very thin, my friends, very thin. 1 cup. I also have bell red peppers already chopped. I'm just going to add approximately 1/4 of that. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, baby. This is all coming together. Approximately 10 cloves of garlic. Thinly sliced, just adding it on top, just like that. Oh yeah, look at that. Cilantro, I'm going to add. I have 1/4 cup. Look at that, baby. And we're going to just add it, just like that. Oh yeah. I have 2 tablespoons of black ground pepper. 3 tablespoons fresh, organic, well not fresh, sorry, powdered garlic, and 2 tablespoons of, and you can not use this, you can limit it, oregano. Salt, I'm using sea salt, and I'm going to use about 2 tablespoons of sea salt, and I'm eyeballing this, but if you like, go ahead and measure it. We're going to turn this baby up. You want it to bring it to a boil and start mixing. Now this is going to take about 2 minutes to boil. We're looking approximately about, I would say 10 minutes to 15 minutes depending on the pasta. Every brand is different. Some do take longer to cook, others do not. Folks, let me tell you, you got to stir this. You can't walk away. This is something you just don't walk away from. I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to come back, but at the meantime, while this is now in a process of getting ready to cook, I'm going to stay here and just keep stirring, and we'll come right back. Oh, you're going to love this dish. You're going to love this dish. Alright. As you can see, this pasta is done, baby. Look at that. And this is what I went ahead, before coming back, as you're watching me right now, I went ahead and just kept mixing it, just like that. But look how beautiful this is. Oh, you can see the steam. Now, most of the water, along with the oil and butter, but most of the water will evaporate. When the water evaporates, or nearly evaporates, you know your pasta's done. You know it's done, baby. Oh yeah. Alright. Look at this baby. Yes, look at this baby. We're going to take this. We're going to just stick it on the plate. Just like that. Oh, look at that. Look how beautiful that is. Oh my. Isn't that beautiful? Oh baby, it's so beautiful. Folks, all we have to do at this point, we just need some Parmesan cheese. Oh baby, you gotta get the real thing. Stay away from crap. Stay away from all that crap, okay? Get the real thing. This is the real stuff, baby. Just take some Parmesan cheese, sprinkle a little of that on there. And then, my friends, a little bit of scallion, just like that. Oh, look at that. Look at this. This is the one pot pasta recipe from love. A pinch of salt, just like that. This is, I can't even tell you the aroma alone is just killing me. But this is it, my friends. Look at that. Oh my, isn't that beautiful? Well, that's my take on the one pasta recipe. I'm telling you, friends, if you do the Lou Rail recipe here, the one pot pasta, and it's already taken storm on the web, you do mine, you're going to love it, baby. You're going to love it. And just to give you a little update, what you can do, I'll tell you right now, friends, you can use regular butter. That's up to you. I will use unsalted butter. But the same amount of quantity, I use this baby, this here. This is what I use. It's excellent. Yes, coconut oil butter. It's healthy, and already chopped for you. Get the red bell pepper. If you find it, get the sweet red bell pepper, already chopped for you. This is great. And last but not least, I love Spice World. Spice World. Friends, it's already peeled, it's real garlic, and it's organic. It's good for you. And thank you, my friends. Thank you for taking the time. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Please, please put those in the comments. Once the recipe is done and your whole family is just consuming this one pot pasta, I want to hear about it. And last, this will feed, this pasta here, this will feed up to 6 people. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah. And if you want to cut back, just use 12 ounces. That's all you need, 12 ounces of pasta. And use the same amount of ingredients as far as the herbs and the spices. But 12 ounces, you can do that too. Other than that, I want to thank you all. And I leave you with peace, joy, and happiness in all that you do, my friends. Take care. This is Lou Rayo. Inside my window. Inside my window. I'm looking forward to hearing from you for many more videos to come. Take care, my friends. Love you. I'm in heaven with my one pot pasta dish. I'm in heaven. I'm in heaven. Oh yeah.